Welcome here on my channel. Glad you are joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today we are going to take a look at a Matchbox 5-pack from 2022. It is the MBX Rallye 2 set. Normally I only buy these 5-packs when they are on sale for 5 or 6 euros. This one here wasn't on sale. I bought it for the original price, around 9 euros, because I wanted to have this Datsun 510 Rallye and especially this Toyota Landcruiser in a National Parks livery. So let's get right into it and take a quick look at the packaging. So you can see here on the side, you can see the International Scout, and also here on the back. And by the way, if this focus was a set from 2023, you would see the 70 years logo here on the upper left corner. And with that said, I would say let's get right into it. I already cut the packaging open, and so let's take a look at the models. The first one is this one here. So this is the GHE-O Predator, and I have to admit, when I first saw this one, I thought it was a fantasy model from Matchbox, but it definitely isn't. So this is a real existing vehicle. It is like an extreme off-road vehicle, so to say. And this company GHE-O is located in Romania. So there are several versions of this one. Now we see it in red. Here on the side it says something with rescue, I guess off-road rescue. I can't read what's on top of rescue. Anyways, we see the number 3. We have a golden base and golden details on these huge tires. And let's take a look. It seems like this one also has an interior. Well, I have to say, not definitely not my cup of tea. So let's put the GHE-O Predator into the parking lot and go on with the first one of my 2 favorites of this set, which is the 1970 Datsun 510 Rallye in this really nice yellow livery with a lot of rally or racing deco here on the side. Looking very good. There are also several versions of this one, but I think this version with these dark red and a little bit of lighter red and orange stripes on the side is looking very, very good. Don't have any details on the front and on the back, and also not here on the molded in roof rack with a kind of a spare tire and some luggage. I guess it's a jerry can up there. I do only own one other version, which is this one here. I think this one was also in a 5-pack. And as you can see, we got a very different livery. So the orange one has deco on the front, on the rear, and on the roof. But I think it's a really, really cool casting, and I really like it. So let's put the Datsun to the side and we go on with this thing here, which is the International Scout 4x4 in a silver livery with black deco on the side. And you can see this is the weathered version. We got some mud splashing up on the side of the car, some huge wheels with chrome details. no deco on the front, nothing on the back. And yeah, I think this one does look quite interesting. I mean, look at this little windshield and the huge hood. Kind of an interesting type of car. Yeah, nice. So let's put it into the parking lot. And we go on with my second favorite, which is the Toyota Landcruiser FJ40 in National Parks deco. So this one's also looking very cool, saying supervisor on the door. Unfortunately, no deco on the front and also nothing on the back. But hey, it's national parks. Always, I mean, nearly every model is looking good in this livery. My personal highlight of 2023, by the way, is this one here, and I'm really glad that I already found it. It's the Ford Bronco, the four-door version, also in National Parks livery. And yeah, it's just looking fantastic. And yeah, I guess it's even looking a little bit better because, as you can see, the Bronco has some deco on the front. And yeah, it makes a model look so much better. Anyways, this Toyota is also really nice, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. And with that said, into the parking lot, and we finish this up with an unlicensed model. This is the Matchbox Baja Bullet in a kind of a pearl metallic orange livery with a lot of rally deco on the side, coming with a spare tire on the bed. Well, definitely not my cup of tea. I think the wheels are a little bit too small for this type of off-road vehicle. Yeah, that's my opinion. And with that, I would say let's put the Baja Bullet also into the parking lot. Let's put the rotator to the side, bring the cars a little bit closer. So here you can see them all together. So this was some Matchbox Rallye 5-pack. And yeah, I hope you did like this quick video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.